Hello, traders. Welcome back to another weekly forecast. I hope you're doing well. It's Sunday, 11th of December, and it's 12:36 p.m. in London. Okay, so this is what we have with the dollar index. Last week, I pointed to this. Sorry, I pointed to this volume imbalance in here, or this gap, and I wanted to see them trade to it and then down and attack this low. But we didn't get the follow through as I was expecting. Maybe we are in December, so the market is going to be very slow, but I'm still bearish, looking for continuation to the downside. Now, going into this week, what might happen is that maybe they might go up and take out last week's high before going down. I want to see that. I don't want to see them open and then start dropping. It wouldn't be fun because as this was dropping, obviously foreign currencies are gonna go up, and there are people that are long, so I want them to knock them out before price actually continues going up on the foreign currency. So what I want to see is I want to see price go up, maybe just come to this candle's low, or maybe trade to this candle's low here and then reject and continue going lower. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting, but Monday is gonna give me a very good insight as to whether they will do that or not. So I'll wait and see how Monday is trading by New York session. I'll see what price is doing, and that will give me whether they're gonna go up here or they'll just take out this low and then run for this equal low over here. Okay, so I'm bearish, I'm not bullish, but if it goes up, I'm anticipating it to go and run stops and then go lower. Euro, same thing. I don't want to see them open and run up because I'm still looking for this level as a draw on liquidity, but I want to see them knock out longs first, right? So maybe it might have to come down to this level or even trade to attack this low here before we have them move to the upside, right? So we're bullish. Anything going down, anticipate that as a run on stop for continuation to the upside. Aussie. So Aussie is quite different. I want Aussie to stay bullish. Um, Even though we might see dollar go higher, I want to see Aussie stay bullish, right? Not even not to go up in a kind of big ranges, but if dollar is going down, I want this to stay in a consolidation. That means it's strong. The currency is strong, right? And I'll tell you why when we go to the other tab. But I want this to stay like this. So Monday, I don't want to see them come below Friday's low. Even if it does, I want to see a quick rejection below that and come back up again. Okay, so I'm still bullish, looking for price to trade up here. Okay, I haven't changed my bias. That's the draw on liquidity for me. So I'm continuing to buy. Last week I got a nice buy over here, and on Friday I missed on a buy. New Zealand, same thing. I want this to also stay. So the narrative on Aussie is the same thing on New Zealand. However, because this candle, there was displacement on this candle, this one might just slightly maybe come down. I don't want to see that on Aussie. I just want to see small movement to the downside. Now let me go to the H4 so you understand what I mean. Up here, because we had a run above this and then break down, this might come down. This, on the other hand, they've established a low down here. So this high is also established down here as a kind of opposite to that. We didn't establish something like that here. So this can come down and it's fine, but not this one. Okay, so if this comes down, I want to see this hold and go back up again. this, because they did not establish yet, that's fine if it comes all the way down, and there's nothing wrong with it. They can send this down and still be bullish. Now if they do send it down, look at this clean equal lows here. I anticipate more buys in here, and that will establish equal high, and then I'll go back up again. All right, so watch this imbalance and all these lows. If it does break this low, I'll anticipate them to do something like this. Okay, crude oil. I'm looking for price to reverse. Last week I got stopped out over here. I bought that, and then price just ran me out. And I was looking for it to reverse as soon as it went below this low, and that also didn't work out. So last week I was off on the oil market. Going into this week, what I'll be looking for is this level. How we trade at this level is going to be important, right? So I'll be looking to sell on Monday to send price down here, and then I'll see what price will give me down here. So if you watch my recent live session that I did, I talked about Tuesday and Thursday price action. So Tuesday I'll see what price will give me here. Euro yen. Now this pair, as you can see, last week I got a nice sell over here, and I wanted to see them trade and attack these lows, but it got very close to it and then it did not. So it's kind of stuck in a consolidation, so I'm going to stay away and see how Monday is going to trade, and then based how Monday will trade will give me more insight as to what I want to do for the rest of the week. Right, let's go to um, Euro New Zealand. So Euro New Zealand, we've traded to the level that I anticipated, which was here, or almost. That's where I think they're gonna go going into next week. We might possibly even come for this low. So I'm looking for sales. If it pulls back up, nice level in here for continuation to the downside. Now Euro Aussie, the movement on this, I think, is gonna trade somewhere down here. There's an imbalance on the H4. I'll leave that for you to go and look for it. There's an imbalance on the H4 down here. I think that's where price is gonna go. That is why, if you listen to what I said, I want the Aussie to stay bullish and the Euro to kind of go down a little bit, and that will be a relative strength for Aussie, strong, Euro weak, and then that might send price down. It can even go and attack this low. Why? Because in my opinion, Euro New Zealand has been going down for some time, right? It's been going down some time, and this pair is kind of consolidating. So this might need to catch up with what Euro New Zealand has done. So I wouldn't be surprised if we kind of go and attack this low and probably trade down here. Not this week, but if we lose this low, I'm looking down here and down here. Okay, so let's see if we will get what I'm looking for. Now when it gets there, I don't want to see it reject and go higher. I want to see it break it, because they've attacked these highs, so I want to see them. So in a way, this is like consolidation, manipulation, and then expansion to the downside. That's what I'm kind of looking for. Now on daily, you can see it made a new high, so it could go up. Now based on the way I look at price, this could be a trap where buyers will buy because it's bullish, sellers will sell because it's rejecting, right? But then ultimately they might break this and then pull back and then go down, because that will form that pattern that is very famous. This, right? So this low be this high be that high be that. Now coming back down here, people might expect it to go up, and then it breaks it, then pulls back, and then down here. Okay, so that's what I'm kind of looking for on the Euro Aussie. New Zealand CAD, amazing. I've been buying this pair since almost the last 2 weeks, right? This week I got stopped out once because I was too early in the game on Monday, and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, all buys, all TPs hit. My next draw is up here. Okay, so that's where I think they're gonna take price. I'm gonna remain bullish until I see any form of rejection. So keep buying. Same thing with this. Keep buying. I think they might go up here, and then next one will be up there. Okay, so we are still bullish. Euro pound. This pair last week was very confusing, but it's still on course to that level. Okay, so I'm still bearish. This week, Friday was amazing. I actually caught a sell on the lower time frame. I caught a sell here and then took my profit there. I didn't anticipate that. But going into this week, I'm looking for continuation to attack this and that. Right. So I think Monday will be very exciting. I want to see how Monday is going to trade. I don't want to see them trade down Monday. That would not be good for me. I want to see them trade up. Okay, maybe come all the way up, take out this high or that high, and then down we go. Okay, so that's what I'm anticipating on this. Cardian, let's go to the daily. The draw on liquidity is down here. It's stuck in a consolidation, so the next move should be a big move to the downside, and I want to see how price is going to move. I want to see how they're going to move on Monday. If we get price to trade aggressively down, taking out this low, I'll start looking for sells. If it goes up much better, I'll be looking at this candle's low or this candle's low, and then I'll take a trade from there. Okay, let's go to Nasdaq. Nasdaq, I am looking for price to reject and go up to attack these highs here, but I don't like the way price paused in here. So we will see Monday. This has formed a swing low, and this is ICT's, in my opinion, proportion candle. Right, this is an auto block proportion candle. We should see a big move away from here. If we don't trade higher on Monday to attack this high, that might be a problem, because maybe they might want to either take out this low again and then go up, or how we close on Monday, depending on how we trade down here. So the narrative is I'm looking for price to go up, right? We formed a swing low. This to me is a pullback. Okay, so by default we should be going up on Monday. If Monday trades down, it's because we are in a new week, so new data. They might aggressively run everybody out and then reject. That's the scenario I'll go in with this week. I'm not bearish. Okay, I'm not looking for price to go down. I'm looking for it to go up. So I'm hunting for run on stops or pull back to discount to continue going up. And if you understand what I mean, if it goes down here, I'm anticipating as a run on stop, not a sell to go down. Okay, and then let's go to finally the crypto market. Okay, so crypto, I think they're gonna trade up here. Last week, if you watched my analysis, I gave you this daily range here, and I said if they trade into discount relative to this range, then you'll be looking for a buy to go up. It did not trade to discount because that was the level. It did not trade to discount, so I'm still bullish. They formed a swing low here, so we should see price go up. I like the imbalance that has been left. Okay, so we should see price go up. Pretty much that's it from me for the forecast. I'll see you guys during the week. If I want to do a live session or not, I'll inform all of you in the Telegram, or I'll send a message on my YouTube, and you all be aware. Okay, have yourself a wonderful weekend. Enjoy, stay blessed. I'll see you guys soon.